Hello everyone, today we will compare Telstra, Optus, and Vodafone, three popular Australia's mobile network provider. So Telstra is known for its extensive coverage and premium services. Optus offers a balance of strong coverage and competitive pricing, while Vodafone provides great value with affordable plans and international options. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Telstra, Optus, and Vodafone, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when it comes to coverage, Telstra has the widest coverage in Australia. So it is a 99.5% populated areas. So Optus has good coverage in urban areas, occasionally scap, while Vodafone improved coverage, so reliable and alternative. So when it comes to network speed, Telstra has a fast speed, especially on 5G network. Optus has competitive speeds, particularly in urban areas, while Vodafone has decent speed, especially with 5G rollout. So when it comes to extras, Telstra has entertainment bundles and international roaming. Optus has various perks and extra, while Vodafone has no extras. So that's it for the features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing comparison. So when it comes to plan type, all Telstra, Optus, and Vodafone has postpaid plan type. So when it comes to their monthly cost, so let's start with Telstra. They offer their monthly cost with iPhone 11 to $79 per month. So for Optus, they offer it for only $39 to $79 per month, while Vodafone, their monthly cost is to be discussed. So when it comes to data inclusion, so all Telstra, Optus, and Vodafone has at least 2 gig of data inclusion. And when it comes to additional notes, so here as you can see, Telstra, as I said earlier, widest network. So you can just read that on the last page. So now that's it for the pricing. So let's go to the performance comparison. So as you can see on the coverage, as I said earlier, it's just the same. You can just read the coverage information on the previous pages. So when we talk about the network speed, so when it comes to network speed, Telstra has fast speed, especially on 5G network. Optus has competitive speed, while Vodafone has decent speed. So when it comes to consistent quality, Telstra has 87 excellent percent consistent quality in common coverage areas. Optus has 83.3% excellent consistent quality in common coverage areas, while Vodafone has 84.8% excellent consistency quality in common coverage areas. So when it comes to upload speed, Telstra has median upload speeds of 10.1 Mbps in common coverage areas, while Optus has a median upload speed of 7.3 Mbps in common coverage areas, while Vodafone on their medium upload speeds of 8.9 Mbps in common coverage areas. So yes, that's it for the performance comparison between Telstra, Optus, and Vodafone. Now let's go to another comparison, which is the customer and support. So when it comes to customer support, when it comes to their customer service rating, so Telstra has 3 stars of customer service rating, and when it comes to Optus, they have 3 stars also, while the Vodafone has the highest rate, which is 4 stars. When it comes to notes, Telstra is known for excellent customer support. Optus is known for generally good customer service, while Vodafone is known for their improved customer support over time. So now we are done with the customer support, pricing, and features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons comparison. And let's start by discussing the Telstra pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, Telstra has extensive coverage. So it boasts the widest coverage in Australia, reaching 99.5% of populated areas. And it's known for its fast 4G and 5G speed, especially in urban centers. And lastly, Telstra provides top-notch customer service. So yes, that's it. So when it comes to its cons, so Telstra has higher prices. So Telstra premium pricing reflects its extensive coverage, And lastly, they have limited budget options, so plans can be expensive for budget conscious users. So that's it for the Telstra pros and cons. So let's go to Optus pros and cons. So when it comes to Optus, they offers competitive coverage, reaching 98.5% of populated areas, and they have competitive pricing. So Optus plans provide good value for money, and last, they have decent speed, and they performs well in urban areas. So when it comes to cons, Optus has occasional gaps. So some remote or rural areas may have coverage gaps, and the customer service, while generally good, it may not match Telstra level. So that's it for the Optus pros and cons. So let's go to the Vodafone pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, they have improved coverage. So Vodafone has significantly improved its coverage, 96% of populated areas, and they have affordable plans known for budget-friendly options. And lastly, they have decent speed. They have Vodafone's 5G rollout, and it enhanced the speeds. So when it comes to cons, they're not as extensive as Telstra. So while improved, Vodafone's coverage isn't as comprehensive. And lastly, the historically mixed customer support. Vodafone has worked on improving this area. So that's it for the Vodafone pros and cons. So we're done with the pros and cons. So now let's discuss which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose Telstra. So Telstra is preferable for someone who wants a good coverage, someone who needs reliable coverage, especially in rural and remote areas, someone who wants fast speed. So Telstra offers excellent 4G and 5G speed. And lastly, someone who are looking for top-notch customer support. So if you have all of this quality, Telstra is the best platform for you. So when it comes to the people who should choose Optus, so Optus is preferable for someone who wants balanced performance, so someone who wants to good coverage, competitive pricing, and decent speed. Also for budget conscious users, so Optus plans offer value for money. And lastly, someone who lives in urban areas because Optus performs well in that place. So yes, that's it. So if you have all of these qualities, Optus is the best platform for you. And for the people who should choose Vodafone, so Vodafone is preferable for someone who wants affordability because Vodafone is known for budget friendly plans. Someone who wants improved coverage, while not as extensive as Telstra, Vodafone has significantly improved its coverage. And lastly, someone who wants decent speed because Vodafone 5G rollout enhanced the user speed. So yes, that's it. So if you have all of this quality, Vodafone is preferable for you. So that's it. So in conclusion, Telstra, Optus, and Vodafone each offer unique strengths that cater to different needs. So Telstra stands out with its extensive coverage and reliable network, making it ideal for those who prioritize connectivity, especially in remote areas. So Optus offers competitive pricing and excellent value-added services, striking a good balance between cost and performance. Vodafone, on the other hand, excels with its flexible plans and customer service, appealing to users who seek affordability without compromising quality. So ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual requirements, whether it's network coverage, pricing, or additional features. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this helps you choose the correct option. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one.